Hello, this is Will from JourneyWallStreet.blogspot.com. I'm here for a tick replay of BBBY, Bed Bath and Beyond, and this was, I believe, during the earnings. So this was one of my better trades. Let me just kind of speed it up again a little bit. So I mean, essentially, we wanna short. We could short there with a stop up there. It won't hurt. We might be able to short if it takes out this green bar too. And we want to be shorting every single pullback in BBBY because it dropped crazy yesterday. Right now we're still in a pre-market, so it gets kind of I would say uh, uh, sorry, I can't think of the word, spready, kind of volatile and erratic. And boom, huge drop there right off the open. Probably need to speed it up some more. So maybe if it gets close to the EMAs, we can give it another short. Just kind of keep an eye open for a potential play here. Maybe that's as close as it can get. I mean, this that would have been a tough short to take out this low because we kind of would expect a closer bounce to the EMAs. But yeah, this is a very tough short. It's shortable, but tough. I probably wouldn't have been able to short that. There was no real clear signal except short pullbacks. Like, this has a potential to be. So let's see how close this gets to the EMAs now. Well, not close again. Below this could be another potential short. I mean, you can kind of have cash flow and start covering maybe a little bit there at the lows. Let's see if we see a better pullback. Okay, so now here's starting to be a. Let me make a new line. So now we have a tail. I mean, another potential short below that line or that low again. Yeah, I don't know what happened here. Maybe it was just an error order, but that could have triggered some stops. Who knows? And get rid of some of these just to get a closer look at how the EMA, how it trades near that EMA. Okay, so there's the tail. Another tail. Maybe we can offer right there, or when it takes out this low. Okay, maybe that will get filled. Then that will get filled some more. Let me just jump ahead a little bit. Yeah, see, I don't know if these wicks would have really stopped me out, or if they were real or not. But assuming that they aren't, because it still has a downward trajectory and the EMAs are still pointing lower. So, I mean, this might cause you to cover, but of course, I mean, your mindset is you want to short all pullbacks. So you have to get ready to short below this low. You have to get ready. Or if it keeps making a new high, maybe it gets closer to the EMAs. So at that point, yeah, you're short again. Your stop is above these candles here, maybe a couple cents above it. And there it goes, next leg. So you might want to think about offering some down here potentially, just to kind of make the trade. But if you notice how it's somewhat of a level, so maybe you want to cover into it, but if it drops below it, maybe you want to get short some more, add to it. Either that, or just wait for another pullback to reload. But there's going to be plenty of opportunities to short into strength, in a strength short, in a strength short. So you don't necessarily need to chase on the breakdown. But let me just fast forward a little bit. So potentially you can short here, and this would have worked. But um, like I said, there's going to be plenty of opportunities on the way up. So kind of still trading, go it, and my mindset is gonna still be shorting pullbacks. I really don't care right now because of the weakness of the stock. So maybe down there would be my entry. We have a little tail here. So as long as it keeps making these lower pivot lows, I'm still really liking this trade, and that's what it's been doing. So as I move my stop here, this is like my stop for everything. So yeah, I probably would be getting short since we kind of broke below there already. Let's see if it stops me out. Pretty close. Okay, that probably would stop me out. But that doesn't mean that we cannot get back in. So let's just wait and see if it does give us another pullback opportunity. Because right now is the first time that I really tested 21 EMAs. So let's see if it catches off of the 8, or if it's just gonna give us another short opportunity below there. And that is probably the short signal of our new stop above that wick there. I'm gonna get rid of some of these lines. So at this point, we already made a killing on all these, and this is just a brand new trade, so we don't have to be as aggressive here. So let's just watch what happens. Fast forward a little bit. See, another potential pullback, another potential pullback tail. I mean, who knows? This might be another short right here. Short below there or into the wick. It just depends on how aggressive you want to get because the stock has already gone down so much, and you probably crushed the stock already. So let's see if that. Oh yeah, ultimately that would have worked. Wow, would have worked really well. It's another potential here. Yeah, probably stopped out there, but might hit short below there. Let's see. Notice how the tails are making, it's kind of making a higher tail up, higher tail up. Let's see if it bounces off the EMAs or if it's going to fall through again. Yeah, that could potentially get us short, but this will potentially stop us out. And really, the stock moved so much already. I mean, this is really very small at this point. You don't want to overtrade this, and plus, look at the time. There's only 1 hour left of this trading day, so you really have to get choosy on whether or not to take these trades. But let me just fast forward and get it kind of over with. So that's it. The trade probably ended there, but I may make it a longer time frame. Oh, that's gonna take a longer while. Get rid of some of these lines. Let's look at the 10-minute. But I mean, there you have it. Um, there's quite a bit of opportunity here on many areas. So this could have been a potentially a trade that would make your month. Hopefully, we can see more trades like this and be able to capitalize off of it some more. All right, thanks for watching.